It's April 2025 and time to return to Virginia. Serenity has been on hard for a full year. It would take some time to get her ready to splash. The biggest project would be the solar arch.
Yeah, I got my work cut out for me.
Taking a pile of aluminum tubing and building a tower on her stern capable of holding solar panels and carrying the dinghy. There would be other projects too, like fixing brackets on the engine,
This is rough.
applying ablative bottom coating, greasing the prop, cleaning the fridge and freezer, and generally recovering from spending a winter in Virginia on the hard.
I had to evict them. I've got the nest out of the sail bag.
There was also the spring sailboat show to catch. A lot to do if I wanted to splash by late May, pick up my buddy Kevin, and then sail up the New Jersey shore, through New York City and up the Hudson River to the marina in West Haverstraw, where we would finish the solar panel install.
Oh, this is the so satisfying part.
Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building